Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a new notice released by the MCC for conversion of Indian candidates to NRI status for the current academic year, that is 2024. It is hereby notified to all candidates seeking admission under the NRI quota for the current academic year that the Medical Council Committee has established the following guidelines and procedure for the conversion of Indian candidates to NRI status. Eligibility criteria for conversion to NRI status. The candidate must be an Indian citizen. The candidate's parents or legal guardian must be an NRI. The candidate must have completed their education in India, that is BDS. The candidate must provide valid documents to support their NRI status. Documents required. Candidates wishing to convert their status to NRI must submit the following documents, that is passport or visa of parent or guardian, copy of valid passport and visa of the NRI parent or guardian, NRI certificate, a certificate issued by the embassy of the country where the parent or the guardian is residing, stating the NRI status. Affidavit from the parent or guardian stating their NRI status and relationship with the candidate. Candidates' education certificates. Copies of the candidates' class 10th and 12th mark sheets with mark sheets of all 4 years of BDS, ICC, that is internship completion certificate, and your graduation degree. Income tax returns. Copies of the income tax returns of the NRI parent or guardian for the last financial year. Proof of residence. Proof of residence of the NRI parent or guardian in the foreign country. NEET scorecard. Copy of the candidate's NEET scorecard for the current academic year. Now I'll let you know the procedure for conversion. Submission of documents. Candidate must submit their required document to the MCC via email at the given email address on the notice. The subject line of the email should be conversion to NRI status and mention your name, that is candidate's name, with the NEET roll number. Verification process. The documents will be verified by the MCC. Candidates may be required to present original documents for verification upon request, confirmation of NRI status. Upon successful verification, candidates will receive confirmation to their conversion to NRI status via email. Candidates must check their registered email regularly for update. Dates of submission of documents are from 26 June 2024 morning 10 am to 28 June 2024. Candidates are advised to adhere strictly to the above guidelines and timelines. Any discrepancy in the documents or delay in submission may result in the rejection to the application for NRI status conversion. For any queries, candidates may contact the MCC help desk. All such candidates are advised to be in touch with the MCC website www.mcc.nic.in for further course of action. Mails received before or after the stipulated time will not be considered. Candidates are advised to send all documents enclosed in single mail only within stipulated time. The following conditions are required to be met by the candidates applying for change for their categories Indian to NRI. As per the directions of Honorable Supreme Court of India in the case WPC number 689/2017 Consortium of Deemed Universities in Karnataka, dated 22nd of August 2017, and principles set out in Anshul Tomar Supra case. The candidates applying for conversion are required to furnish the documents in the format provided. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.